I've done this video so as to demonstrate how I converted my dogs into USDT. In other words, how I sold off my dogs. Now, I did this video deliberately for the sake of my community, especially to those members of the community who don't know how to sell off cryptocurrencies that they happen to earn on different mining apps. And now this one will actually serve as a quick walkthrough that will leave you with knowledge on how to convert any cryptocurrency from any crypto exchange platform into any other cryptocurrency that you can easily manhandle and withdraw. So what I did was I claimed my dogs from the dogs bot, which is on Telegram, and I used Bybit, and I'm gonna open Bybit right now so that we take a look at how we can actually sell off whatever cryptocurrency that we have. It may only be on Bybit, it may be on other cryptocurrency exchange platforms. So I'm gonna open Bybit and I'm in. So what you need to do is you click asset. Okay, so once you get here, you need to click convert. Okay, so you'll see this interface. The next thing that you need to do is you click click buy. Once this loads, what you need to do is you click sell, and then you change this side. What is it that you're selling? Are you selling USDT? You click there, and then you choose the cryptocurrency that you are selling. You're selling dogs. And then we punch in the total quantity, that's 32,440. Then we hit next. Okay, so once you are happy with what you see, what you need to do is you simply hit confirm, and then you hit sell dogs. So the transaction is actually successful, and it says view assets. Okay, beautiful. And I now have 47 USD. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay, so now that we have converted our dogs into USD, let's further convert it into USDT. So we just simply hit convert, and then we choose USD here. You can type on top there. Okay, beautiful. So we simply tap there. Okay, so they'll actually need us to type in how many USD we have to convert. So we have to punch in, that is how much is available. That is 47.26. Okay, so there'll be a drop of $1, something like that. Can hit quote, and then we confirm. So all the USD cryptocurrencies have been converted into USDT. We can now hit view assets, and there we have it. So we can actually click withdraw when network is actually favorable, so that we withdraw what we have here. USDT selected, and here we go. Okay, so we have input here. They're saying Input or press and hold to paste the withdraw address, and choose a chain type. Let's check. Okay, TRC20 is here. Now, one thing that I'm very much familiar with, or the platform that I'm very much familiar with, is Binance. So what I'll do is I will transfer whatever I have here to my Binance account. So let's head on to Binance. I'll leave everything the way it is here. Let's head on to Binance, and we are in. So I'm gonna click wallets and click USDT there, tethers. Then I will go by deposit. Then I'll choose the network, TRC20. This is very important. Take note of the network that you have chosen. Coolest. Network is pretty bad. Go by TRC20. Okay, so come here and then you copy the address that you're seeing there. Then you head back to Bybit. So now what you do is you simply press and hold here, and then you paste the address that you copied from there, and then you choose the network. The network should be the same as the one you chose that side. So it was TRC20, and you punch in the amount of dollars that you want to withdraw. So that's 46.9766. When everything looks all right, you can hit withdraw. Then you can check in there, then we confirm. Okay, so here you need to create the fund's password, which you need to punch in, and then if you happen to be required to punch in the Google Authenticator password, you need to connect Bybit to Google Authenticator, and that's the password that you're going to punch in the second box. So now let's copy and paste it here. So here we go, hit confirm, and boom, it has been submitted. So after that, you'll be prompted to set up the withdraw address whitelist. So that's the one which is on top. Just push it to the right, and when you do that, there will be a code that will be sent into your email inbox. That's the one you need to follow up, and then you copy it. Thereafter, you hit back to Bybit, paste it in there, then confirm, and boom, everything will be confirmed. So the next part will be you head back to Binance just to go and check if your money has actually been sent through to Binance. So you just have to check on the the balance, and there it is. I hope you've learned one or two things.
So that's how we do it.
Don't forget to subscribe.
That's how we do it.
And hit on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you happen to be alerted.